Good morning, my beautiful people. Happy Fashnacht Day, as they say where I'm from. We never ate Fashnachts in my house. My dad is German, but my mom is not. So we always did pancakes on Shrove Tuesday. The Scottish have a certain kind of a pancake. The Irish have a certain kind of pancake. We're Scottish, but we preferred the Irish pancakes. So we'll be having pancakes tonight. And I also am a huge fan of the New Orleans king cake. And back in the olden days, you'd have to order that from New Orleans because they didn't sell them locally. But now the Giant sells those. So we'll be going out to get a king cake. And then we stick the baby in somewhere. So don't bake it inside anymore. Anyway, let us get a rune stone for today, shall we? What do we have today? As you know, Gebo is my favorite. It means gift. And I want to be complete, so I'll read you the book. Try to remember to always read the book so that you can pull from this whatever resonates with you. So we have the handy-dandy notebook. Gebo means gift, and it means balance, exchange, partnership, relationship, generosity, giving and taking, trading, pledging. The gift of freedom is the best gift. Be generous, accept generosity, equal partnership, and balance. And there's no reverse. And if you do this in a rune reading, Gebo offsets any negative stones that might be around it. So what might this gift be about? Let us ask the Celtic Spirit cards for some insight, shall we? No. One popped right over. This is the Crone card. And this says wisdom, future, and truth. So perhaps you'll receive a gift of wisdom, future, or truth. You'll receive the gift of truth. Or you'll be able to give the gift of wisdom or truth for somebody to improve their future. See if Spirit has another card for us. It came out really fast. So sometimes there's meant to be more than one. So tell Spirit we'll do 3 passes and whatever card comes out to go with that one. That might be it. Just that today wisdom will be a gift to you, or your wisdom will be a gift to somebody else. We often think money is the most important gift, but wisdom really is the most important gift. We had some that's flipped over here. We have the Weavers, fate, manifestation, and decisions. So maybe you're going to have an opportunity. And then we have Fawn, beginning, willingness, and opportunities. So I'm having this sense that the gift today is going to be a new opportunity, an opportunity to be seen in a way that you haven't been seen before, a way in which your wisdom is showcased and people look at you in a different light. So I believe that is sort of what Spirit's telling me, that wisdom, people are going to look at you for your wisdom. So if that resonates with you, awesome. And, these are meditation and reflection pieces, right? So they're not predictive. So that's not a guarantee that it'll happen. But if you have an opportunity to share wisdom and that presents itself to you, then you'll know that this reading was for you. I am wishing you all the very best of light and love. For those of you who need to fatten up today because, tomorrow you have to give up a whole bunch of stuff, wishing you the best. All right. See you later.